Hello, I'm Dr. Hotze, and I'm here with a guest of ours from Sweden, Åsa Hillstedt. Welcome to Texas and welcome to Houston. We're so pleased and proud that you came to see us at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center.
Thank you.
Share with our listening audience here exactly what made you decide to come to Houston. Why did you come here? Of all the places in the whole world, why did you come here to the Hotze Health and Wellness Center?
I live in Sweden and we can't get any help at all with our hormones, and I've been suffering from hormonal imbalance for many years, and I looked you up at the internet.
On the
So,
internet.
on
How
the
long?
internet.
How long ago did you find me on the internet?
2011.
So it's been 6 years.
And now finally I am here.
This is great. So she came all the way from Sweden because of a hormonal imbalance,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
And what do the doctors tell you there in Sweden?
They look at the blood test and they say everything is all right, but I don't feel all right, so I'm not going to accept that. So I'm looking for help elsewhere. And
Now, what was it on the website that you saw that impressed you and made you decide to come here?
It was mainly your YouTube clips when you talk about hormones and stuff.
Well, I want you to know we count it a privilege to be able to serve you. And you've taken charge of your health. If anybody's done a 180 and taken charge of your health, Åsa has. She's traveled all the way from Sweden. And so this makes us feel very special and honored to have you here. Now, you're the health athlete.
Yeah.
We're the coaches.
Yeah.
We want you to be in the Health Olympics and win a gold medal. So we're here to help and serve you in every way possible you can.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for giving us, and we'll give you a follow-up on
Yeah.
Åsa as time goes by, because she can do a video
Yeah.
there and send it to us
Yeah,
from
I can
Sweden.
I
Huh?
can do that.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Åsa.
thank you very much.
And congratulations
Mm.
for taking charge of your health. I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.